Now today we're going to cover a topic that only really concerns women. Snoring.
Snore a lot at night time. Not many men do, of course. Uh, and one of the things when they snore is they can often breathe through the mouth as well. And this can be a very drying effect on the teeth and all the gums as well. So this can sort of potentiate things. So sleep apnea and all those sort of things are things that you determine in a little course of care. If you've got that problem, or your partner says you've got that problem, then you need to discuss that with your dentist, and they can come up with several different alternatives that you can do in those